In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up ClickUp account. Backing up your workspace ensures you have a safe copy of your tasks, docs, and attachments in case something goes wrong or you need to move data elsewhere. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside ClickUp, and I'll point out a few notes so the process goes smoothly. First, open your ClickUp account. Use your preferred browser or the desktop app and make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace that you want to back up. Next, click your profile. You'll typically find your profile picture or initials near the corner of the app interface. Open that menu, then choose Settings to access the workspace controls. Inside Settings, look for the Import/Export area. This section is where ClickUp lets you bring data in or send it out. Open Import/Export, and when the page loads, click Export instead. This simply switches the view from importing data to exporting a copy of what you already have. Before you move on, select a location for the backup on your computer. If ClickUp or your browser prompts you right now, pick a folder you'll remember and with enough free space, because backups can be large if you store files and attachments. If you don't see a prompt at this moment, don't worry. You'll be able to choose the save location when you download the file in a moment. Now click Start Export. ClickUp will begin packaging your data. Keep the window open and stay connected to the internet while it runs. The time required depends on the size of your workspace. Smaller accounts may finish in seconds, while larger ones can take longer. Once the export is done, click Download to successfully have a backup. Your browser will either save the file automatically to your default Downloads folder or ask you where to put it. Confirm the folder you chose earlier if prompted. When the download completes, you have your backup copy. Consider storing it in a secure place, such as an encrypted drive or a company-approved storage location, since it can contain sensitive project information. That's it. You opened your account, went to your profile and settings, used Import/Export, chose Export, selected a location, started the export, and then downloaded the finished file. Repeat this process whenever you need a fresh snapshot of your workspace, especially before major changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your ClickUp data safe and accessible.